Right, so out at the brother and sister-in-law's house today, to give you guys a bit of an update. So it's been 8 days since put the seed down and we've got germination. Yo mate, what up? Welcome to another lawn tip vid. Right, so if you guys were watching last week's video, you would have seen that we hydro-mulched this area here and seeded this area over here, as well as hydro-mulching out the back as well. So as you can see, the colour has sort of faded away on that mulch. That's what tends to happen once you get a bit of rain and a bit of irrigation on it. But I'll get up close in a second and show you guys how much seed we have coming up. So it's day 8 today, so you'll be expecting to see a little bit of germination at this point. How well you guys can see this on camera, I really hope you can, but the seed is looking great. Like some of that seed would be up towards 1/2 inch now in the height, and it's all throughout the whole area. So you can see a bit of a green tinge across there. That is exactly what we want at about this point. So if we get up nice and close, you should be able to see all those little grassies, the baby grasses, all throughout there. So as you can see, a lot of germination out there now. It's never going to come up even across the whole area in one hit. So you might have some patchy areas in some spots, might be soil temps, it might be getting a bit extra water, a bit less water, just the way it rolls. So don't freak out if you're doing this and you see spots that don't have as much seed up. We need to worry about that probably at about day 20, day 25, day 8. We're just going to be excited about grass coming up because the temps here have been a little bit cool. So really good to see this ryegrass has come up. So the Kentucky Blue won't come up for another like 15 days. Well, it might be 10 days. So here we go. But we're at the back section here. Now you can see obviously it's a bit hard to stop water running down here. So just to fill that in with some soil at a later date. And that Kentucky bluegrass will fill in that spot anyway. Because if you've got puddles like this, you're never going to get seed to germinate, because it's basically getting drowned. But yeah, once you actually get up nice and close to this area here, I'm not probably going to be able to pick it up on camera, which is a bummer. It's always the hard thing with little baby seeds but it's a lot longer out the back. Now I think that is because it's a little bit warmer just here. It gets sun all day. It's warmer because it's getting a little bit of heat off the concrete, off the house. But it's definitely longer across the whole area and very even strike rate as well, which means that we've got seed popping up all over the place. It looks like the hydro mulch is doing a little bit of a better job, as in our strike rate's a bit better. It's holding a little bit more moisture and it's stopping some erosion too, because we got about 10 mil of rain last week, and to see no wash on a seeded area like this on a hill, like that is awesome. Anyway, that is seriously about it for this video. I just want to show you guys a quick update. Biggest thing is you don't have to do anything at the moment apart from keep the water up to it. So by this stage you should sort of know your watering schedule. These guys have got 3 times a day on this and 4 times a day on the stuff that wasn't hydro mulch, so definitely needs a little bit more water. But yeah, that's about it really. Can't apply any more ferts. Don't look at even applying anything at all. Just let it do its thing and be patient with it. And you need to keep up that watering schedule, like possibly up to day 30, just for your germination to be great, to keep moisture up to your new seedlings, because their root system's going to be so short. So yeah, that's the biggest tip I can give you guys when doing seed. Don't stress out about doing anything apart from your watering. But anyway, thanks guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys keep up to date with this project, because I'm going to be showing it the whole way through when we get to our first cut, and then continue on doing a series on this place from there on. So thanks guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.